Hi there, are you looking for a way to restore the colour of your leather, or even a way to change the colour? I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video I'm going to show you the best products to do exactly that. This leather colouring kit is the perfect solution for restoring the colour to leather which has suffered from colour loss, fading, wear and tear and all of the problems associated with the colour. You can even use it to completely change the colour of leather. So if you want your couch to match those curtains, or your Prada to match your new pants, or how about restoring your car interior at a fraction of the cost of retrimming, this kit will work on all leather items no matter what the leather type. The products supplied in the kit are not only the same used by our professional technicians and thousands of DIYs every day, but they are the same type of product that tanneries use to colour leather in the first place. In the tannery, leathers are preserved, dyed all the way through, but the colour you see on the surface is sprayed on and sealed in with a flexible lacquer to give that final look and feel. So, as the process is the same which was originally used, once these products are applied, the leather will look new again while keeping that natural feel. The kit comes with all the products and equipment needed to complete the job at hand and is available in 4 different sizes to cater for any size job. The range of products included in this kit provide everything needed to correctly prepare the surface of the leather, apply the desired colour and seal in for a robust finish. The colourant is available in any colour you can possibly imagine. We have a large range of standard colours to choose from, including many pre-matched classic and modern car colours, and we also have a colour matching service available for that exact match to your leather. The first coat of colourant should be applied by a sponge to work it into the leather, and the following coats are applied with an easy to use airbrush, which is also included in the kit. The leather finish to seal in the colour is available in 5 different sheens: matte, semi-matte, satin, semi-gloss and gloss, to match the sheen of any leather. No matter what the item, colour or finish, the leather colourant kit has been designed to give professional results even to those with no experience. Both colourant and finish are being tested to European and British standards. This means that after the new coatings have dried and cured, they are as strong as new leather, so will last as long as it originally did. But to prolong the life of your leather, you should really consider adopting a regular maintenance regime after using this kit to keep your leather looking newer for longer. A video for the best products to use for that will be linked below, along with videos showing you how to use this kit, so you might want to check those out. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.